This video covers bobbin winding and threading on the Bernina 990. For bobbin winding, place the thread on the right spool pin and pull the thread up and through the two guides directly above. Follow the dashed lines, starting by threading eyelet number 1 from right to left. Bring the thread around the bobbin winder pre-tension. The silver markings on the bobbin work together with the sensor that warns when thread runs low. Place the bobbin on the bobbin winder with the markings facing down. Wind the thread several times around the bobbin and cut the thread tail. The winding speed can be set in the display. When using specialty threads, it can be helpful to reduce the speed. When finished, cut the thread using the thread cutter. Remove the bobbin case by pressing the release latch on the right. Insert the bobbin with the silver markings facing down. Pull the thread into the slot and under the spring. Then pull it upward through the two thread guides until it engages. If necessary, select the bobbin icon for an animation on how to insert the bobbin. Here, you can also turn off the light to reduce glare when inserting the bobbin case with the slide-on table attached. Reinsert the bobbin case with the guide upward and press on the center of the bobbin case until it audibly clicks into place. Don't forget to cut the thread and shut the bobbin cover, or the sensor won't work. When threading the top thread, ensure that the presser foot is raised and the needle has been correctly inserted. To thread vertically, place the spool on one of the two left spool pins. Pull the thread upward and through the two guides directly above. Guide the thread through the guide marked 1. Then, hold the thread with both hands and guide it through the rear thread guide. Guide the thread forwards through the thread guide. Then, bring it around the thread take-up lever cover. Insert it into the thread take-up lever and guide it downwards. Now, thread it through the guide above the presser foot and on the needle holder. Then guide it into the thread clamp and pull it forward over the thread cutter. Pressing the automatic needle threader button will automatically thread the needle.
Bernina, made to create.